Hi everyone, my name's Tracy. I'm a demonstrator here in Central Victoria, Australia, and I'm here just popping on really quickly to show my pre-order for the mini catalogue that's being available coming up in January. So super exciting. I'm not expecting anyone to pop on, so that'll be fine. So because I attended On Stage at Home, which is a demonstrator event that Stampin' Up put on before the catalogue goes live, they do it every November. I participated in that, and because we participated, we got to see the new products, see the new catalogue. We also got to pre-order from that catalogue as well. Now, this catalogue comes out in January, but for people who attended On Stage at Home, they were able to pre-order from a selected list of products, and I'm not getting any comments, so I'm not sure whether anyone's commenting. I'll have a look afterwards, but so if you attended On Stage, you got to select from a selected group of products from the new catalogue as your pre-order. Any other demonstrator that is a demonstrator will get to pre-order in December, and customers will have this available in January. So super exciting. This catalogue, and I think I've said this quite a few times, this is the best catalogue I've seen for a long time. I've been a demonstrator for I think 7 years now, and yeah, I'm really excited for this one. There's some really great products in there. What else do I want to say? So I got this pre-order yesterday, but I was a little bit busy, so I'm popping on quickly now to show you all. And I didn't get dressed up. We're actually going, after the shop shuts today, we're going next door to clean down all the walls. My husband's been plastering and sanding, so we're cleaning up all that mess, and then we're painting the walls next door. So I thought I'd pop on really quickly. There's no point getting all makeup on to go and paint and clean later on, so, and you know, it's not about me, so I'm going to pop the camera down and let's go have a look at some of the products. So if you are popping on, please just say hi. There we go. Get this situated really quickly. Sorry about this, everyone. Hopefully I'm not making anyone sick. That's going to bug me. It's all skew-whiffed. Anyway, all good. So I did purchase one of the suites that's available coming out. This is, hang on, let me turn it around so you can see it the right way. That's better. This is the Art Gallery stamp set. Absolutely beautiful. These are watercolored like effects, photopolymer, and as you can see, there's multiple steps that you can do, so 2-step stamping, and this is really pretty. I love all the sentiments that I've used here and the samples that we were able to see, and this is actually on the front cover of the mini catalogue as well, so you'll see this one. It's really pretty. There's also some dies that go with that, so it's a 15-piece photopolymer stamp set. The dies are called Floral Gallery dies. I didn't open anything. I thought I would wait to show you all and I'll see it at the same time. So just want to say is what this big die is, which is nice that they've got a big sentiment, and we've got a few little of the dies that go around both the flowers here and this whole set, and then 2 little ones that'll go perfectly for our sentiments. So this is really cute, this one. There is also an embossing folder that matches with this suite, and this one is called, I can't get it open, there we go, Painted Texture 3D embossing folder. Look at that. So that's going to give some really, like a gesso type feeling to our cardstock by embossing it. So that's also one. There is a ribbon as part of this suite as well, and this is gorgeous. It's like a linen style ribbon with gold flecks throughout. So look at that. So a lot of this suite teams up with gold. This is fine art ribbon. So there's that one there. There is 2 paper packs with this suite as well. And this one's really pretty. These were all hand watercoloured and then pictures taken from the watercolours. So this is Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. Actually, I'll just show you one side first and then we'll go over to the other side. Isn't that gorgeous? So this canvas would look really pretty. Swing it around the right way. Lovely pretty pinks. Oh, this one's my favourite. That is really, really nice. All the blues and greens in with the yellows and oranges, lovely. Nice blue background. Oh, that's lovely too. This reminds me of one that we've had previously, so absolutely gorgeous. So the other side are more textured papers. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice texture. And they've used beautiful colours as well. It's a little bit different. Hopefully you can pick that up in my light. Nice yellow one. And this one looks like they've sanded it or just added a little bit of white paint down over the top. Really pretty. Okay, so that is the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. There's also specialty Golden Garden specialty acetate as well. Now these have the layer on them to protect them as well, so let me grab that backing so I can show you a little bit easier. And these actually layer over the top of the Designer Series paper as well. So one side is gold, and then when you turn it over, the other side is silver. But because a lot of the suite is gold, I'd say I'll probably use gold a little bit more. So there's one of those sheets. So there's 3 designs in this set. Morning, Rachel. And I know this one layers over. Let me find it. So it layers straight over that Designer Series paper. So doesn't that look really pretty? Very nice. And the last one in that pack, so 3 packs of 12 by 12, one side gold, one side, sorry my light's messing with that acetate there. One side gold, one side silver. And don't forget they have that backing on them that you can peel off. So that is that Fine Art or Art Gallery suite. Move these to the side. The next one I want to show you is a tool that they're bringing out. So blending brushes. They come in a pack of 3. I'm so excited for these ones. I love blending, and I have been using the blending brush by Tim Holtz. So I'm super excited to see how these go. Lots and lots and lots of little bristles there. So I think this one will do really well, and I'd say we'd be able to clean them off and use multiple colours with them. So can't wait to order, Rachel. Are these for these or the fine art? So many pretty things in this catalogue. So I could probably say that I'll probably be getting a few more of these brushes and just using one colour, a blues and a pinks style for each brush as they clean off. But I think that's a really great idea. I'm glad that they're thinking ahead. So the other suite that I didn't purchase everything from was a masculine suite. And let me just show you the designer series paper. It's called Well Suited. And you can't purchase everything, but I really do enjoy purchasing the designer series papers. And this is going to be really good for masculine cards. As you can see. Oh, that one's nice. That one looks like fabric. Some grid. So I do struggle with masculine cards probably the most. So any help I can have is always helpful. So lots of greys and blues in this pack. Another one that looks like a bit of a fabric, like a couch cover. Very pretty blue. Almost like a paisley effect. Some stripes. Oh, that'd be pretty as a shirt. Very nice. That one I think could not be good for the eyes. Very nice. I love the colours that they've chosen. Oh, that is a tie colour for sure. So let me just have a quick look at the colour combos in this set. Basic Black, Basic Grey, Cajun Craze, Night of Navy, Pacific Point, Poppy Parade and Smoky Slate. Nice. And also part of this set, they have some twine, the Well Suited Twine Combo Pack. I love twine, and Stampin' Up don't have a lot of twine available anymore. So always grab it when we can. So it looks like Basic Grey and maybe Night of Navy by those colourings of the designer series paper. So super cute, and it's the fine type, not the real thick one. Hi Cheryl Lee, how are you? Okay. Now the next set I grabbed was the Simply Succulents. This is an 8-piece cling stamp set. If you're new to me, this is my new obsession, is succulents. So I'm really excited when I seen this one. Looking forward to playing with this one. And there's also a set of dies that bundle with it called the Potted Succulent dies. So let's bring them in and have a quick look. Oh wow. Okay, so there's dies that will die cut our images with also some labels to go around our sentiments. So that's really, I like that. It's nice that we've got a little bit of everything there. And then the second one is a full die that will do a card front. So this is going to be a really nice layering effect as well. Hi Becky. Hi Janice, welcome. So yeah, I'm looking forward to playing with this one. I think this one's going to be a lot of fun, and the stamping blends are going to come in really handy for these ones. You could probably watercolour it as well, but I'm on a bit of a stamping blends pattern at the moment, so I can see lots of colours being used with the stamping blends. So this one is the Simply Succulents bundle. That's it for the mini catalogue. Now I have got a couple of items from the Celebrations catalogue. So if you're new to Stampin' Up, Celebrations is where here in Australia you spend $90 on product and then you get to choose one of the free items. There's actually 2 lots of Celebration products. So there's a $90 Celebration product and $180. So it just depends. If you spend $180, you can choose the $180 free gift, or you can choose, if you spend $180, you can choose 2 $90 free gifts. So both of these are the $90 options, and I love Celebrations because it is the best time to stock up on some things. So, you know, your adhesives, your dimensionals, and you get free products just for grabbing things that you need. So this first designer series paper, it's a 12 by 12 flower and field designer series paper. This is a completely free bundle, free set. So we have beautiful bright colours here. So that's the 2 sides. This is gorgeous. This reminds me of a stamp set that's coming out in the catalogue. It's a $1 Million Achiever set from Dina Rico. It looks very similar to one of her stamp set. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and some polka dots as well. So I'll have a look at the colours that are in this paper pack in just a second. Oh, some more polka dots. So black and green and some, it looks like Just Jade colours in there. So nice, happy, bright, summery spring cards or projects could be created with this one. Greens, blues and blacks. Oh, that's a bit funky on the eyes. Okay, so that is the free pack. Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Just Jade, Misty Moonlight, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Shaded Spruce, So Saffron and Whisper White. Lots and lots of colours that you could coordinate there, so good for everyone. Oops. So that's one of the free packs. Let me just show you the other set that I got as a free item, and it's a stamp set called Darling Donkeys. This is an 8-piece cling stamp set. Isn't this gorgeous? So we've got 3 little donkey images, super cute. It's your birthday, hey there friend, you're the best, and hee-haw. So cute. And I have an extra one of these, so I'm looking at doing a prize for my customers coming up. So if you're interested, keep a watch out for me. Okay, so that's it. The only other thing that I did get, which is not that interesting, well, it's interesting for me, but I did get a couple of card displays. So these ones here. I'm actually going to put it up on my wall behind. Hang on, I'll just turn the camera around. So I'm actually going to put these card displays on the back here, so you'll have something exciting to look at with all my projects. So that'll be really exciting as well, and I'm hoping to do that in the next couple of weeks or maybe next month. We'll see how we go. Alright everyone, that's it for my pre-order. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at some of the products. We'll be able to pre-order a few more things in December, so stay tuned for that, because this is going to be a really exciting catalogue. I think there's a lot in there for everyone. There's flowers, there's animals, there is really cute sets, so you're going to be very happy, I think. Alright everyone, I'm going to head off. I need to go and start preparing to clean and paint, and I hope you have a really wonderful weekend. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.